morning, everyone. It's Diane here from Divas Creative Expressions. I just wanted to show you the results of what I did yesterday. I'm in the process of just putting the lights in the tree, and I want to just see where give you an idea anyways of what the tree would look like without the flocking. And I'm going to place the bulbs so I can see how much I want to put. I'm going to be putting some of this glittering no fire snow on the branches of some of these branches. But I wanted to show you the options because some people might not want the snow. These trees do come with a base. I've just raised them up here so that you can see them a little bit better. I'm just going to get myself up on my iPad so I can see what you guys are seeing, and if you have any comments or questions. Let me see. Okay. All right. Okay. So, anyways, this is the mini tree, and I actually didn't. Let me turn down this volume. I didn't give any options for this one. However, if that is something that you want, I can definitely do that for you, and I'll work out the pricing for that. Some of these holes have been blocked, so I'm just unblocking them as I go. Some of them were blocked from the bisque. Oh, no, that's open. Never mind. So anyways, I don't know if you saw my live yesterday, but what I did was I did some paint pouring on these trees. And so by doing that, I got some different colors and textures and everything without actually using a paintbrush. I just poured it on. Okay, so I can see some of these are gonna need to be cleaned out a little bit more, which I thought I did, but hey, let's do it again. I'm gonna clean out any of this before I put it down. Doesn't want to go in. Let's try this one. Okay, that's how it should go. This is most likely ceramic disc. Just have to be patient. Okay, I might need a different drill bit for that, I see. Okay, that hole is giving me a hard time, so I will get to that one after. And there we go. So continuing on here. Oh, that one chipped a little bit. I'm gonna have to fix that. So, sorry, I got a little bit distracted there. Anyways, so this is what they look like. I did the pour, and I have a video of that. Whoops. And then last night, what I did is I did a resin coating, and I added some glitter, because, you know, you gotta have glitter. And today, I was clearing the holes, as you could see, and I'm going to flock some of these. Just trying to space out the colors. There's a lot of orange in this multi-pack here. This is the multi-color. This is along with the more traditional kind of style. Again, another orange one. Okay, let's see. So I have provided you with a few extra. Again, sorry, a little bit of noise here, bear with me. Okay, well, I will have to go back in on a few of these and maybe with a different drill bit. Anyways, this is not the final product. This is simply where we're at, and I just want to show you how pretty it is already. Okay, let's get these in. It's taken me too long. Let's see. But that's why I want to try this before I provide them for you guys. Anyways, I think you get the point here. And so I'm going to go ahead and flock. But this is what this one looks like. So it actually looks like a glazed Christmas tree. And it's got, you know, different colors and things there. It's maybe a little tricky to see where you're at there. Just looking for a star for the top of my tree. So I think that for this tree, we'll go with a red star. These are all pointy, they're sticking out of the bag, so bear with me for a second here. Okay. There we go. Tree topped. How pretty is that? Okay. Good morning, Melissa. Thank you for joining me. So this is the traditional tree, and it does have a little bit of resin in there, so the holes are a little sticky right now, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Some of them are a little bit larger, and I don't have all of the things in there now. But I do have this nifty little thing that has lights and rotates. So I want to show you guys this. Let's see if this works. Of course, it's nice and bright inside right now, so you won't notice it as much, but let's see. So, is that centered? Just to kind of give you an idea. I think maybe take it off of this bowl. Get that out of the way. So this comes with a light bulb, but this is just something I can see the light shining through here. So if it was nighttime, it would work. So anyways, this is the tree, the traditional tree, and this is prior to me putting any flocking on the branches, which I'm about to do with this Duncan accessory product. It's glittering no fire snow, and it's got some iridescence in it as well, of course. I think I got the one with iridescence. I meant to. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I don't think I did. This is just plain snow, but that's okay. So that's that one. I'm gonna take that off. This tree I did pouring on, so I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. This one I did a paint pour, and I did it with cream and white and gold. It is so pretty. I can see the light shining through this from where I am, but I thought this tree would be pretty if someone likes all white. And I have to open up that hole a little bit more, but give you an idea there what that looks like. And put white bulbs in there, or you could. It would be very pretty to put colored bulbs in as well. But that's where I'm at. So this is what they look like prior to putting any flocking on the branches, which I have just a few minutes before I have to go get my son. And I'll put some of that on. Very simple to put it on. Well, that's kind of pretty actually with the colored lights. Oh, it's so pretty. I actually really like this one. Let me see if I'm gonna bring you up so you can Can you see the different dimensions and everything? Because what I did was I did a paint pour on this tree. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, let me put this aside. Sorry, just one sec. I'm gonna put that aside. Now I'm gonna take off this star. And I'm going to put some flocking on these branches. Not too many, but I'll show you how easy it is to do. Okay. Let's put these away so we don't lose them. So I provide you with these bulbs. You can have your choice of clear or multicolored, and I will give you extras of each in case you lose some. And if you ever do, you can just buy some. They have them at on Amazon, and also they have them at Michael's as well. So, or you can just ask me and I can set you up with some more. You might want to have a multicolored set and a clear set depending on what mood you're in. So let me just go grab a paper towel. I'll be right back and I'll show you how we can put some flocking on the branches. All right, so can you guys see okay? Is everything, there we go. And let me know if you're watching this live or if you're catching me on a replay. I'd love to know that. And I'd also love to know where you're located. So you can be fancy, you can use a palette knife, or you can be like me and just use your finger. And what you want to do is just dab a little bit on. I like to leave a little bit of texture on there. And then you're going to build it up as you go. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, let me try and do it over here. Because I did put some glitter on earlier. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. So yeah, you can build this up as little or as much as you want. And I'm actually gonna do some so that it looks like the snow is hanging down. If you want, you can buy your own snow product. You can actually even make it if you wanted to. There's recipes online. This is an actual product from a ceramics company that I deal with. So it seems to have a lot of body to it, and it's really holding its shape. Look at that. Oh, Diane. Hi, Diane. I am using something called, it's from Duncan. It's a ceramics product, and it's called Glittering No Fire Snow. So I'm just applying that with my fingertips, as much or as little as I want. And what I want to do is make it three-dimensional so that it looks like the snow is kind of hanging off of those boughs. And this will dry on its own. So if you feel it, it's kind of like, it's grainy. So it's got a bit of sand on there. Oh, do you guys like that? I love it. And then you build up as little or as much, oh, I beg your pardon, little or as much as you want. So I'm trying to go with the less is more school of thought, like my husband always says to me. Diane, less is more. That doesn't always apply. Oh good, you love it. I love it too. So this is fun. Okay, so this one is the gold and white one. So I'll just finish doing that one after. But just look at, I'm gonna try and hold that up close so you can see it. Look at that. that? It looks so good, you guys. Oh, I love these. Actually, I really actually love these little mini trees. I'll just put that one there. Okay, and then this one is the green one. Let me just move this. Okay, this is the green one, and I'm just going to quickly take out those bulbs. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the bulbs in, and just quickly take this out, put it aside so I don't lose it. How's everyone doing today? What are you guys doing? I have only a couple more minutes and then I have to go get my son, and then I'm gonna come back, and I've got some other orders I need to work on, and I got some orders for some of my tumblers that I made for a group that I'm in, and I've got another cup going out to Alabama, so I've got to get that organized and ready. And then I have to go into my regular kind of boring job later. I'm also a dental hygienist. I'm a jack of all trades. I'm a dental hygienist. I also do aesthetics. I do this. I'm a mom and a wife. I don't sit still very long. That's right in there because of the glaze. That's okay though. So if you remember, I did the paint pour on these yesterday, and then I resined them last night, added some glitter. So this morning, now that that's all cured up, I'm going to add my snow, which I'm just actually really in love with. Okay, so I wanted to show that you can actually have these just plain without the snow, or you can build up on the boughs here, on the branches. You can be as neat or as not neat as you want to be, but I want to have some so it looks like it's hanging down. Now, keeping in mind that if you have it like that, there's more chance that it's going to break, right? Here, let's put a bit more on my finger, and I'm just applying it just like I did with my resin with my fancy schmancy tool, my finger. And this is why I never get manicures anymore, because I usually have stuff all over my fingers. Look at that, you guys. Do you love it? I don't know, I just love it. Okay. So that's it for today, for now anyways. And I'll be getting the bases for these done up, and then I'll get the lights hooked up. And I can't do it tonight because I'm going into work, but maybe tomorrow night when it's a bit darker, I'll put the lights and everything on, and then you guys can see it. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'm going to say adieu, and I will talk to you later. Please let me know if you're interested in doing any of these or if you have any questions. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.